Yes, I have a filter on. And if you comment on my teeth, be kind. Or don't comment at all. But I was coming on here to ask about my camera that I'm thinking about selling. But I'm in a debate with it. I'm debating on selling it with a lens, and so I can pay off debt, okay? Although that's a really smart decision. But I was also thinking, if I sell it, that goes to pay off my debt. And then I won't be able to afford a camera down the line because for a long time. So I just wanted an opinion, nice opinions. And if you come to me and be like, well, why don't you fix your teeth first? You come up with thousands of dollars for teeth for me, if that's gonna be your opinion. Anyway, but yeah, I just wanted an opinion on if I should keep it and just continue to pay off my debt, bit by bit as I have been, or sell my camera. Because I really can't decide what to do.